Don't boil the potatoes too much. We used large breadcrumbs, but if you use smaller ones, the tikkis will be smoother. You can either deep fry or roast them with less oil, depending on what you prefer. If you don't want to use breadcrumbs, you can add a little rice flour and suji rava. I might make another video on this if possible. Green peas. Salt to taste. Coriander leaves. Mango powder. Curry leaves. Green chili. Red chili powder. Breadcrumbs. Boiled potatoes. First, take boiled potatoes and mash them well. Add green peas, chopped green chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, red chili powder, mango powder, and salt to the mashed potatoes. Add breadcrumbs. Mix everything together nicely. Take a portion of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Gently press the ball to form a round, flat shape, making the aloo tikki. In a separate bowl, mix corn flour with a little water to form a smooth paste. Dip each tikki into the corn flour mixture. And coat it evenly with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the tikkis into the pan. Fry until one side turns golden brown, then flip and cook the other side until golden and crispy. Your delicious aloo tikkis are ready to serve.